Hi guys, it's Eva from Noshki's Nails and Plus. I am back to do another manicure to test the PUEEN Celebration Collection. This is the Fireworks Festival plate that people have had issues with. As I mentioned in my previous video, I did not purchase this. It was given to me from one of my cousins because she was having issues with it and did not even want to bother returning it to Amazon. So I tried it once, it wasn't doing so good. I was just testing with it yesterday and it was coming out way better than the first time I tried it. So anyway, we are going to be doing this image right here. Underneath it, I have one coat of a white polish from Milani, and that one is called White on the Spot. This was purchased from the Dollar Tree. And here's another purchase from the Dollar Tree. This is from LA Colors, and this one is called Craze. I sponged this onto my nails. And then I did top coat it using Seche Vite, and then I went ahead and stamped it with Mundo de Uñas. It's called Iris, I believe, yep, number 54. So we did that, and then you let that dry, and then again you're going to top coat it. I've done all but two, and I've got liquid latex that's actually starting to come off, but I was going to show you the quality of this because, again, people have had issues with this particular plate. We are using the stars right here. This is, I would say it's a festival, or it's a festive, you can call it festive stars, or you can even use it for like a Memorial Day mani. They're not the same exact colors, but it's got stars in there and there's blue. Anyways, let's get it started. Here's the image. I got my Creative Shop scraper. There you go. See how beautiful that came out? We'll go ahead and stamp that. See? Came out perfect. I'm gonna try to do the other nail. I've got excess polish, so I'm just gonna reuse that. No point of putting more on. Again, it still came out perfect. So let's try to do that. There you go. Let me put this to the side. Going to try to remove the liquid latex here. Clean up real quick. So that's the second time I'm using this plate today, and I love the results for both of the manicures, for this one and the previous one that I did. And I did mention in the other video, if you guys have any tips, please feel free to share. You just comment down below. It would help the other ladies that are having an issue with this plate. So please go ahead and put your comments down below. Like if you've got a specific stamper that you use that works better over another, let us know, because I'm that has a lot to do with it. My Creative Shop stamper does not work on this one. Do you guys have the same problem if you try to use your Creative Shop stamper? Let me know if you do. I think, I don't know if it might work better with stampers that are a little bit firm, maybe. Not sure. I gotta clean that just a little bit more and then top coat it, and we'll be all done. I'm right-handed, so it's a little bit difficult for me stamping, you know, my right hand, but I have been getting better. Alright, let me put the top coat if I could find it. There it is. Sorry about the mess, guys. We're almost done. Alright, so there you have it. Let me cover the other nail because it's a different manicure. I've got to try to cover it. So here it is. Let me know what you guys think. I think it came out pretty, right? The colors are very vibrant. It's a pretty wear for spring or even in the summertime. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every feedback and appreciate any comment, likes, any additional subscribers come on to the channel. And thank you so much again for watching. Take care and God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.